To summarize, let's go through the example with Alice and Bob one more time. Alice wants to send 1 Bitcoin to Bob. She creates a message saying, "I, Alice, want to send 1 Bitcoin to Bob's account." That's the transaction. Then she encrypts it or locks it with the private key to her account, making a digital signature. Then anyone can unlock the digital signature with her public key to see that she is indeed who she says she is, but nobody can change it and relock it without her private key. After digitally signing it, she announces it to the nearest Bitcoin node, which then begins spreading the news of the transaction to all its peers, who in turn spread it to all of their peers, and so on until the whole peer-to-peer network has heard about it. Meanwhile, at some point a miner will hear about it and put it in a block, which is basically just a big bag of transactions. Text is the same as numbers to a computer, so the miner then treats the block as a big number and starts searching for another number to stick on the end of it so that the two numbers together hash to a sufficiently small number. This is the proof of work. When a miner finds that special number, then the next block is said to be mined, and Alice's transfer to Bob is complete.